Hi everyone, today we are going to be focused on two vowel sounds. E, the long one and the short one. It is pronounced E, and this is pronounced E. Did you notice the difference? Okay, let's continue. Beat, sheep, bean. Now with the short one. It, ship, it. Did you identify the difference? Okay. Now we're gonna put it together to try to identify the difference if you didn't do it right. Okay. Beat, bit, sheep, ship, bean, bin. Okay guys, now let me tell you something. It is really important because we as English learners, we need to be focused on pronunciation. Well, that's it guys. I hope that you are going to enjoy this video because it is really important as I mentioned before. So thank you for everything. Bye. Hi everyone. Today we are going to be focused. Hi everyone. Today we are going to be focus on